Hey, what's up, guys? And here's a closer look at the behind the scenes or the systems and the accountability that you guys are going to receive so you guys can get an understanding of what your day is going to look like in order for you to lose the 20 to 30 pounds in 90 days. I promise you guys, if you follow these systems, you too will join the Alpha Pack alumni to have the same results using the same systems these guys have applied. So the first thing that we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go ahead and create a plating system. This is going to be a dumbed down version to make sure that you guys don't really have necessarily a ton of options to decipher from with food, and we're going to make it super simple for you. So all we're going to do is we're going to follow this plating system. We're going to have a 500 calorie breakfast with fruit, 200 calories protein, carb, mixed vegetable. For lunch, same thing for dinner. We're going to add a healthy snack and we're going to add protein. Okay, this is it. And to make this super easy, I went in ahead and I designed some templates to make sure we can simply just swap out proteins, vegetables, and carbs. So it's as simple as that. In order to create what I like to call a healthy plate, all you're doing is you're swapping out these options. We're going to go ahead and get on a Zoom to do this for you. We're going to go ahead and create menu one right here, and we're going to create menu two, which we're going to go ahead and use as a meal prep system so we can go ahead and rotate these menus out. But this plating system is the foundation to our nutrition, and this is what we're going to follow for all 90 days of the program. When we created menu one and menu two, we're then going to go ahead and teach you guys how to meal prep correctly. So how to go into your kitchen, okay, how to set the kitchen up to make sure that meal prep is fast, it's effective, okay, and it's simple and it takes less time. And so all we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look at menu one first. We're going to go ahead and prep menu one, okay, utilizing our prep system here, where we're going to go ahead and prep 7 meals, getting us up to Thursday lunch. When Thursday dinner, we're going to go ahead and prep again the same meals we did for menu one. We're going to go ahead and prep 5, which gets us up to Sunday lunch. Okay, and we basically do this as a system. Once we're done menu one for week 2, we go to menu 2 and we go ahead and rotate out the systems just like this. To not get bored, we go ahead later in the program and we create more menus, being 3 and 4, and we do the same thing. But for now, we're going to go ahead and only focus on menu 1 and menu 2. Okay. Then moving on to the non-negotiables. This is basically what I like to call the alpha day, or this is an ideal day of how you would go about your day, okay? You would wake up, you would do a morning routine, you'd weigh in, and you would have water. You would answer some morning power questions to go ahead and get yourself into a really good mindset. And then on the way to work, you would listen to a motivational podcast, a book, a comedian, something to change your state to get you feeling excited for the day. Then throughout the day, we're going to go ahead and make sure that we have cues in your environment to make sure that you get all of your steps in and we hit your workout, which is only 30 minutes. Alongside that, you'll have lunch at work because you meal prepped and all of your meals would already be done. You would follow the plating system. You would have protein with every meal. You'd have about 80 ounces of water, which is about 5 regular sized water bottles. And when needed, we would stick to our weekend guardrails, which is an assignment I give you guys to make sure that you create boundaries when social eating, going out to restaurants, and having a social life. And then at night, you would answer your reflection questions, and we would do this all over again. Okay, this is tools used to design to go ahead and make X's when your non-negotiables are met, and to make either green is good and red is bad. It's gray here, but you guys can go ahead and switch that out to be red. You can also do this in a calendar, or you can do it in a notebook as well. You can even do it in the Habit Tracker app, which is in the Apple Store. But the idea is that we're tracking these, and the idea is that if we're 80% consistent, you're going to lose weight and you're going to be happy with your results. So this is literally it, guys. We create a food system that's super simple. We follow it, and we create a structure in your day to therefore have environmental cues that basically takes out the time because we developed all the systems in place to do so. Okay, so I hope this makes sense, but this is a super easy way to lose weight. Okay, you're gonna get all the other stuff I mentioned as well. But that, honestly, guys, is just more value for you. Those are resources that you can go to, but this is simply the day. Hit your non negotiables, you'll lose weight.